Do you want to export your CADRE search query results out of Jupyter Notebook to wrangle with your data in another application like Microsoft Excel? It's easy to move your search results out of the cloud and the CADRE interface and into your local drive. Just follow these steps. On the CADRE menu bar, click on Notebook. Click Go to Notebook, and you'll notice nothing happened. Most web browsers will block pop-up windows like these automatically. You need to use the mechanism that you use to circumvent that. I'm using Firefox here, and it's this button right here. I'm going to click that, and I'm going to tell it to open one blocked pop-up. And that's going to open Jupyter Lab, which will take a few seconds to load here in the background. Then you select the file that you want, and you need to right-click it on a Mac, that is Command-click, or if you have it activated on a touchpad, you just click it with 2 fingers. And then you select Download. And that's it. Your downloaded file is now in the location where your computer puts your downloaded files. And you can go ahead and take that CSV and wrangle with it however you want in Microsoft Excel or any other application.